on today. It's a little different than what we've done before. I am gonna be doing my makeup. We're gonna be trying the one dip challenge. So basically it's a challenge where you do your makeup, but you're only allowed to dip into your products one time. So I'm gonna see how my makeup comes out. For my primer, I'm using the Lawless Set the Stage primer, and I'm gonna just do, look, one pump. This is plenty of primer, so far so good. Just on the primer, girl. This is a Chanel Ultra Light Tint. I have a review on this if you're interested. So one pump. Get all of that off of there. I'm gonna try to get this everywhere. I'm gonna use a brush because I feel like sponges soak up a lot of your product. All right, so that's it for our foundation. That's not bad. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. So I'm just gonna click her up one full time. So a sponge up here holds like so much product in it. So I brought out the Juvia's Place concealer. I haven't used this shade or this concealer in a while, actually. This is in shade number 10. And I'm using this one because I didn't even have to look, that's one dip. So much concealer on there. I'm gonna wipe some of this off though, because that was a bit much. So I know I don't have to like double dip in here. Now I think where I'm gonna have a real problem is with the setting powder, y'all. Cause y'all know I like to put on my setting powder. We are moving on to setting powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder. Here's my setting powder, here's my, I'm about to roll the shit out of this. Not even gonna lie to you. Okay, so that's how much I have on it. I'm not dipping again, I'm just showing you guys. This is how I like spread my setting powder all over my sponge. There ain't no way in the world that they mean one, you do both eyes with that, no. My bronzer on my nose, I'm using the Fenty. Take my brush. Damn, that's all I can do? Okay. Let's figure it out, girl. Oh, one dip. I realized I didn't show you that. I did not cheat. Cause look at how light that is. Y'all know I be having it beaming on my nose. Time to bronze. One dip. And I'll use one dip for both cheeks. See how that works out. I'm using the Patrick Ta blush. This is a pretty pigmented blush, so I'm just gonna dip. I'm not sure how we're gonna do the one dip with is our brows. Like maybe if I use the brow pomade, but I'm not currently. I'm using pencils, so. And I know y'all are not about to sit up here and be like, what did one stripe? No, girl. One of my favorite palettes that I don't use that much. That one, girl. I tried to pick the most pigmented palette I could find. This shade on the crease. So I'm gonna get it in there, girl. And since I can only do one dip, I'm gonna just go back and forth from eye to eye, so I'm not putting all the product on one eye. I'm gonna use this shade. I'm gonna use my finger. Oh, damn. All right, okay, well, whatever. I'm gonna do like that, and then like that. I would definitely like some more of that up there because it's such a pretty shade, but this is one dip, you guys, so. All right, so for my highlight, I'm gonna be using this palette from Hourglass. I believe this was from their holiday collection. I'm gonna use these two mixed together. Oh, damn. That was definitely more than one dip. Okay, it's hard for the nose because I like my nose to be really highlighted and I can't dip anymore. Your makeup goes a lot quicker when you don't do more than one tip. Eyes are done. Oh, I need to put mascara on. So, one dip. Now, this is usually where I would dip again to get my lower lash line, but we just gonna keep going. For my powder that I put around my nose. Oh, that was already more than one. Okay, whatever. No wonder where you about to tell me I was supposed to spray one time, but instead of spray. I guess I can just do one pass of the liner. Boom. Wow, that's a raggedy lipstick, y'all. I'm gonna have to really look. Now I have 2 lip glosses out. This counts as one dip, so I can swipe it as many times as I want. One dip. Okay, that's our one dip challenge. I feel like it came out okay. It didn't come out raggedy looking. It's just like, it's not snatched. If there are any other challenges you guys want me to try, let me know. Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.